Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit subscribe and the bell icon so that you can't miss our future videos. Huawei released the Mate X with an outwards foldable screen at an eye-watering price tag of 16,999 Chinese yuans, which is the equivalent of $2,400 or 2,200 euros. Today the company revealed the repair cost for some of the parts of the device, and those aren't cheap either. Unsurprisingly, the display panel is the costliest bit. It will be 7,080 Chinese yuans, which is the equivalent of exactly $1,007 or 909 euros. The next most expensive thing is the chipset, which would set you back almost half as much, 3,579 Chinese yuans. $510/460 euros. A new battery would cost 278 Chinese yuans, $39/35 euros. The shell of the phone is CN361, $50/45 euros, while the camera combo is 698 Chinese yuans, $100/90 euros. These are the official prices that Huawei will charge you, meaning they include the labor and part cost. However, since the phone is China only, the costs are also adapted for the domestic market. They are likely to increase if the Huawei Mate X appears on the global scene. So there you have it. If you do get a Huawei Mate X, make sure you look after it well. Those foldable screens are known for being easy to scratch, and being on the outside will mean it needs to be handled with care. Source:/Techdebyte, website :techdebyte.com, pictures source:/.net. That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icons so that you can't miss our future videos. Smile.